Okay, in this demo we're going to show you how to upload a roster from AIMS into RosterBuster. Now AIMS is a rostering system used by a number of airlines including FlyBe, easyJet and Qatar Airways. So if your roster looks a little bit like this with loads of vertical columns and a kind of typewriter font, it might well be an AIMS roster, which we do support. So again, it'll look a little bit different depending on exactly how you view your roster, but you should end up with something like this. And the key to an AIMS roster is just to find a white bit of space in the middle of the grid. Click with your right mouse button and do View Source. And this should bring up a massive long list of horrible code that looks all like this with loads of lines saying div style and things like that. Now this is the code that RosterBuster can understand. Very long list. You might sometimes find that if you do Edit View Source in your browser up here, you might get some funny results because sometimes there are other things on the page as well which can confuse it. So the best way to do it, just to refresh that, is right-clicking in a blank area of the grid and doing View Source. So once you've got this screen which has popped up with all the code, all you need to do is select Edit Select All. That highlights everything. Edit Copy. And we're just going to go across then into RosterBuster, click on Upload, and in this box at the bottom of the screen, click on Edit, Paste. It might take a little while to think about it, but it's going to paste all that horrible code into this box down here. If we then click on Upload, have a think about it, and you'll get the green tick saying your roster was successfully uploaded, and there we are. So if we just go and click on our fridge PDF just to test it there, you can see that here's our roster which has gone through successfully into RosterBuster.